trust in the Lord. So I guess we're having cookie cake. I have a little like bandeau underneath because my tatas were cool when I said I make the most bomb avocado toast. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I wanted to start off today sharing with you guys some updates with my Perfect Body DNA book. I shared this with you guys a couple vlogs back and you guys loved it so much, had so many questions about it, and I have actually been using this book to incorporate it into my everyday life. I've been using this to help me with my diet, to help me with my workouts, to help me with my motivation, literally everything. I've been using this book, so I wanted to remind you guys about it and let you guys know some updates. So just remind you that you can use my code Karissa to get 30% off your book. It's literally amazing. It is called the Perfect Body's DNA, and best part about this book is that it is custom made for the buyer. First things first, a girl is proud of her progress. I have just been really working hard when it comes to my health and prioritizing that. So I'm not gonna be shy, I'm gonna show you guys some progress. So this is like full body here. My legs have always been my hardest thing to tone, but I've even noticed recently that my legs are toning up a bunch. My bum is getting bubblier. We are growing the peach, baby. I only have a bra underneath this, so I'll switch into a sports bra in a second to show you guys my arms and my back, because that's probably what I'm the most proud of. I feel like my arms and back have gotten so toned, and then my stomach as well has gotten super toned, as you guys can see, like and I could not do it without like the support and the help and the resources and the tools. Like anything is literally possible, guys. You just have to get the right resources, the right tools, the right people surrounding you. And if you just literally don't know where to start, this right here is where you can start. So what you're gonna do is go down below in the description box. I will have the link for you guys there. You click on it, you use my code Karissa at checkout. That way you can get the 30% off of the book. And then once you do that, it'll lead you to a quiz that you're gonna take. And this is just to get to know you, your body type, your goals for your body. Is it weight loss? Is it maintaining? Do you wanna get stronger? Literally, it asks you everything. And then you also get to customize the book based on your name, your color scheme, all that kind of stuff, and make it special for you. It's so easy to follow along. You guys need it in your life. Literally love them, love what they stand for, love the brand, love everything about it. It's helped me on the days where I need that extra boost of motivation, where I don't know what to eat, am lacking motivation for a workout, and just don't really know what workout to do. It's always, always so perfect and comes in clutch. Now, let's get into today's vlog. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, Sunday, 6:05 a.m. Hey, yo, doggies! Come here, I'm trying to blow up. Alright guys, we are gonna do some skincare. We don't have too much time, so we're just gonna jump on in. This is third day hair, by the way. Looking really good. Anyway, so Burst Skincare sent me literally so many products, 6 different products to try out, and I'm so excited because I've been so interested in this every time I walk past it in Target. It's not sponsored whatsoever. They just sent me some products to try. This packaging is just so aesthetic. Oh my gosh, my nails need done so bad. Don't look at them. Why do I look yellow? Tap around, girl. Tap, tap, tap in. Wrist on glitter. I'm gonna show you how to bag it. Ooh, we like that. I always say this, but the key to amazing makeup that lasts all day, that looks good, is do your skincare first, baby girl. Whoa. You see that? I caught it. Seriously, if you do your skincare first, your makeup will stay on so much better. It'll look amazing. Your skin is like the key to good makeup. Like, I'm never in the mood to do skincare, but then as soon as I do it, I'm just like, why don't I treat myself this much? It's amazing. Skincare is complete. Let's go do some makeup. Well, first let's brush these teeth. Shoot. Then make sure you brush that tongue because it's almost steak breath if you don't. All right, now that I feel incredible, I'm gonna put on some of my lip balm. I just go like this. Like I make out with it real quick. For makeup, I wanna go out into the living room because the lighting is way better out there. Ready. I'll show you guys my quick outfit of the day, and then I gotta go because me and Sarah want to leave early so we can get some Starbucks. So here is the fit. It's super, super cute. This top is from Windsor. I just have a little like bandeau underneath because my tatas were cold and pointing, and that's not right for church. And then I have these jeans from the Jacked Life. My mom said that she is going to be getting that thing back up with the new arrivals very soon. We have just been so incredibly busy, guys. It's like there's just so much going on, so it's been really, really hard. But the podcast, Jack Life, everything, we're gonna get back to normal very soon here. And then these booties, I wear them all the time, and I have no idea where they are from because I got them forever ago. So remember my last vlog when I said I make the most bomb avocado toast? You ready to make some? Let's go. Okay, welcome to my kitchen for the weekend. We're gonna make avocado toast after I fix the lighting real quick. You are going to need sourdough, Parmesan, red hot jalapeno, pepper jelly, and some chili onion crunch, Trader Joe's. Don't skip out on this. Don't think, oh, I can make it without this. You need this. Avocado oil, and of course, an avocado. But the trick to getting the most tasty avocado toast is you gotta season it. Luckily for me, my mom got the whole season crew here. We're gonna do a little bit of minced onion. We're gonna do a little bit of garlic salt, crushed red pepper, and black pepper. Boom. You can toast this if you want, but I like to broil it. But first, let's mash up some avo. All right, we're gonna mash the avo. I'm going to spray just a drizzle of avocado oil. Taking a piece of my toast and spraying it with avo oil. This toast is so much better to use instead of regular bread. Like, this is Trader Joe's sourdough with pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. It is literally amazing. It makes the tastiest, crunchiest toast ever. And then we're gonna plop her in the broiler. Just like that. Now, back to our avo. Once she is nice and mashed, we're gonna season her. Feel glorious, glorious. Okay. Woo! Ombre. I did that on purpose. Like, I totally didn't, but I love how it's a little bit crispy, a little bit soft still. Woo! Next, you're going to layer the bottom with the jalapeno pepper jelly. I know people are gonna be like, ew, that, dude. Oh, Lord. I made a little mistake. Do not skip this part. Like, if you're gonna skip this in the chili aioli, it's not aioli, chili crunch, you're missing out. You don't even need to do a lot. Just coat the bottom, thin layer. Ugh. I'm telling you, don't skip it. It's so good. I know it sounds weird, but it's just so good. Then you're gonna put your avocado right on top. And I use a baby avocado, so I use the whole one on this one slice. It's like the perfect amount. Then you're gonna take the chili crunch. Guys, this stuff is literally amazing. I know all my picky eaters out there are like, ew, but I'm telling you, you cannot knock this until you try it. If you try it, you don't like it, whatever, you're weird, but if you just don't try it, you're missing out on life. I'm gonna drizzle this on top. This is kind of hard to spread. It kind of just does its own thing. There is an oil base at the top. I like to just get rid of as much of that as possible. I don't want it to be oily. If you're a texture eater and you love a little crunchiness, you're going to love that. And then we're gonna take a little bit of vegan Parmesan. This brand, follow your heart, vegan Parmesan is so good. It's very good. Don't be shy, put some more. So good, okay. Now, this is the finished product for today. I will sometimes put one of the vegan eggs on top, the JUSTEggs, but I'm just not in the mood for that today. I want just this, but if you're looking to add more protein to this or whatever, I'm also gonna have a protein shake on the side, so I don't really care. But yeah, protein, you can add egg, you can add vegan, like lunch meat, make it to some type of bruschetta, avocado toast. You can also sprinkle nutritional yeast on top to add that extra protein, but this is just so good the way it is, like, it reminds me so much of like bruschetta. Woo! Thumbnail. Yes. Fish on the bomb like tick, tick. I'll have all the ingredients and the recipe down below. Also where you can get everything at down below. So every single vlog, I'm going to incorporate the verse of the day, okay? So today's is Isaiah 26:4, and it says, trust in the Lord now and forever. The Lord God will always be our strong rock. Amen. If you can't do it, trust in the Lord. If you're scared, trust in the Lord. If you're pissed off, trust in the Lord. If you're happy and you don't want it to end, trust in the Lord. Amen. Okay guys, so this weekend I am spending it at my mom's house. She's not here. Her and my brother went to fly out to Iowa for a wrestling tournament. So I'm staying with the dogs and I get the penthouse house party. Everyone come through. I'm just kidding. The one thing though, homegirl got no coffee, no Alani Nu energy drinks, no pre-workouts. She don't got none of that stuff that gets me going through my day-to-day. Best part about it, Starbucks is literally a hop, skip, and jump away. I was going to walk, but I do want to stop at WholeFoods, so I was like, I might as well go. But you easily could walk here. Get myself a little cold brew. That's all I want, just a cold brew. Starbucks.
Alright, so the grande cold brew, 2 pumps hazelnuts, with $3.95 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Last thing, my teeth, she was looking at me weird. No, but I have a freaking bug.
Yeah, $3.95.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
In that bitch, still that bitch. We'll forever be that bitch.
I don't say the cuss word. I don't say the nastiness. But I do jam out to it. Same thing. I know. God forgive me. I'm back. Hi. I went to WholeFoods literally to get celery and coffee. Celery, and then I got, oh, and kombucha. So like I said, my mom has no coffee, and I just got these to try. I literally could have spent less money just going to Starbucks every day and getting a cold brew, but it's fine. I got the Chameleon brand. This is cold brew, smooth black coffee, churro flavor. Sounds so good. It's like a horchata moment. This one is just vanilla with oat milk by La Colombe Cafe. It's a draft latte. And then I also got the Califia brand triple shot cold brew coffee with almond milk. So I got those 3 coffees to try, and I got a kombucha. So my mom has like a really nice tub. I think I'm gonna do a face mask, some skincare, a little bath moment, a little kombucha. And this one is the Ola Horchata, cinnamon, vanilla, and oolong tea. I'm so obsessed with this stuff. Hi guys, so checking in. It is 6:51. So I just made some dinner. I got done at the gym. I got done taking the dogs on a walk. I've been working all day long. I'm having this cruciferous, I don't even know what it's called, salad. It's from Trader Joe's. It's just super yummy. It has like broccoli sprouts in it and Brussels sprouts and a bunch of different leafy greens. And then I topped it with some cranberries, some pumpkin seeds, a little bit of vegan parm, celery, and some beefless beef crumbles. Oh, and the dressing is poppy seed dressing, which is like my favorite. This is pretty much like a kitchen sink salad. There's no rhyme or reason to it. I just threw all my ingredients that I had here in a bowl. And it's really good. I figured I'd have a nice, delicious, nutritious dinner so I can make some vegan chocolate chip cookies. I have been working like crazy, literally for like the past 2 weeks, just non-stop. Because when Sam first came home, I was kind of like slack with my work. So I'm like playing catch up. Plus when he gets back, I don't want to have to be working as much as I am right now. And he should be coming home soon. So I'm trying to get as much ahead as I can. Okay, so I'm only making 6 at a time. This thing looks super dirty, but it's just one of those like reusable oven thing so you don't have to have parchment paper or foil every time. But we still have all that left, so we'll make these 6 first and see how it comes out. Beeping. Ooh! I'm gonna make these ones smaller and try to like do this outline here. This cookie sheet is stupid. I guess we're having cookie cake. And yes, I ate 2 massive cookies. I feel sick. Quite sick. Quite full. Quite bloated. Quite sick. And before you go, you should definitely follow my Instagram, my TikTok, because yeah, bye.